Hi guys, I'm here back at the shop. This is just gonna be a really quick video. This is that fantastic vent I just took off the Sonova I did a roof on a few weeks ago. And this is why I always recommend replacing these things. I mean, obviously, it looks bad. Obviously, all the components are pretty old. But if you were to examine the top of this, even a visual inspection, you're not gonna see too much. But if I flip this over, on this spot right there, there's a crack on that flange. That's all the way through. So no matter how much you would have wanted to seal this, it would have eventually leaked. And that's just that one. Oh, look, there was one right there too. And that wasn't from prying it, because you can kind of see the crack is in the dirt there. And so water could get in right there and right there. That's why the lap seal, you should get as close to there as you can. You don't want to make a place for water to pool. At any rate, that's why I replace all the vents when I do a roof.